Bedbug Wholesale at the ICC here in Sydney, and I'm going to take you through the Vacumi VC3 and do a quick demonstration. So as you'll see here, it's coming closer, we've got fresh filter water in the filter tank there. You can see all the way through to the bottom, crystal clear. And what we're going to do now is just do a quick 60-second vacuum, maybe not even that, on one of our carpet tiles here. Alright, so let's have a look at the results. Vacuum is super quiet and super powerful, and look at that, that's only 30 seconds of vacuuming, and look at all the dirt, look at all the allergen and dust particles in there. Imagine what that did if you were to vacuum an entire bedroom or part of your house. Thanks so much, see you again soon.